Welcome to Microsoft Office Specialist Excel. In this video, we'll learn how to create a new workbook based on an online template. On the home screen after Excel starts, we may click New Page. If in Program window, we may click File menu and click New Page. At the top of New Page, we see suggested searches. For example, if we click Business, here we can see all relevant templates. At the top of New Page, we have a search box. For example, if we input flower and click Search button, or simply hit Enter, here we got our template. If click the thumbnail, here we may have a preview. When we click the Create button, the template is created automatically. If double-click the thumbnail, the template is created without preview. Thanks for watching.